Dear students, today we will discuss about hydrogen spectrum. As you know that hydrogen spectrum is a discontinuous form of spectrum which can obtain when electric arc is produced in hydrogen gas. Then a type of bluish light is emitted. And if that bluish light is passed through prism, then different series of lines are obtained which was discovered by different scientists. That is known as different series of lines. Like Lyman series was discovered by Lyman scientist. Balmer series was discovered by Balmer scientist. Paschen discovered by Paschen scientist. Brackett discovered by Brackett scientist. Fund series was discovered by Fund scientist, and Humphrey series was discovered by Humphrey scientist. Now, these series of lines are present in different radiation. For example, Lyman series present in a ultraviolet, Balmer series present in a visible region, Paschen present in a infrared, Brackett present in a infrared, Fund present in a infrared, and Humphrey region present in a far infrared region. In this way, these series of lines are present in a hydrogen spectrum, which was discovered by different scientists. And these are the region of radiation: ultraviolet, Lyman series, Balmer visible, Paschen infrared, Brackett infrared, Fund infrared, and Humphrey far infrared. Now, it's a name of scientist provided a type of mathematical formula. With help of that mathematical formula, we can calculate wavelength, frequency or wave number of different series of lines. Ritz provided a type of formula that is known as a Ritz mathematical formula. Ritz mathematical formula. Ritz formula. Ritz formula. Ritz provided a type of mathematical formula. 1 upon lambda is equal to r z square, 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. Ritz provided a type of formula: 1 upon lambda is equal to r z square, 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square, where r is Rydberg constant, where r is Rydberg constant. Value of Rydberg constant is 109,678 centimeter inverse. 1 upon lambda is equal to v bar r z square, 1 upon n1 square minus 1 upon n2 square. Here z is the atomic number. Value of z is equal to, z is the atomic number, and value of z is equal to 1. N1 and N2 are integers, and with help of value of these integers we can calculate frequency, wave number of any particular radiation. This one is the wave number and this one is the wavelength. Now for Lyman series, value of n1 is equal to 1 and value of n2 is 2, 3, 4, 5. For Balmer series, value of n1 is equal to 2 and value of n2 is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. For Pascal, n1 is equal to 3 and n2 is equal to 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For bracket series, n1 is equal to 4 and n2 is equal to 5, 6, 7. For Fund, n1 is equal to 5 and n2 is equal to 6, 7, 8. For Humphrey, n1 is equal to 6 and n2 is equal to 7, 8, 9. For Lyman series, for first line of Lyman series, value of n2 is equal to 2. For Balmer series, for first line value of n2 is equal to 3. Similarly, for Pascal, for first line value of n2 is equal to 4 and so on. For second line value of n2 is equal to 5, for third 6 and so on. So dear student, please write down these data. Now we will discuss about series limit for different group of series. Series limit. Series limit. Series limit. Last line of any series provide shortest wavelength. Last line of any series provide shortest wavelength. Shortest wavelength. And with help of E is equal to h nu, h into c upon lambda, because nu is equal to c upon lambda. Here if this one is lambda is shortest, then value of E is highest. So last line of any series provide shortest wavelength and highest energy. This one is the series limit. It is a series limit. First line provide highest wavelength. First line of any series provide highest wavelength, and these values are known as a series limit. Now we will solve some numerical problem which based on Ritz formula. Dear student, please write down some numerical problem which based on hydrogen spectrum. First numerical problem is calculate the frequency and wave number of a radiation. Question number 1. Calculate the frequency and wave number of a radiation. Calculate the frequency and wave number of a radiation and wave number of a radiation. Calculate the frequency and wave number of a radiation with wavelength with wavelength 480 nanometer. 480 nanometer. Calculate the frequency and wave number of radiation with wavelength 480 nanometer. Here lambda is given. Lambda is equal to 480 nm and it is equal to 480 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter, because 1 nanometer is equal to 1 nm is equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. So lambda is given. Frequency nu is equal to c upon lambda. Velocity, where c is the velocity of light, and that is equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, and lambda is 480 into 10 to the power minus 9, and this will be equal to 6.25 into 10 to the power 14 hertz. Now wave number is equal to 1 upon lambda, and this will be 1 upon lambda is equal to 6.25 into 10 to the power 14, and this will be equal to 2.08 into 10 to the power minus 14 meter inverse. Here one small correction, because lambda is 480. So please write down 480 into 10 to the power minus 9. Dear student, please write down this question and solution also. Now write down next question. Write down next question. What is the ratio between? Next question is, what is the ratio between energy of two radiations? What is ratio between? What is ratio between? What is the ratio between the energies of between the energies of two radiation? What is the ratio between the energies of two radiation? One with a wavelength of 6000 angstrom, one with wavelength of 6000 angstrom, and other with 2000 angstrom, and the other with 2000 angstrom. What is the ratio between the energies of two radiations? One with wavelength of 6000 angstrom and the other with 2000 angstrom. We know that solution. We know that E is equal to h nu. H is Planck constant, nu is the frequency of radiation. Here nu is equal to C upon lambda 1 and E1 is equal to h nu. E1 is equal to h C upon lambda 1. E2 is equal to h C upon lambda 2. Lambda 1 and lambda 2 are given. Now E1 upon E2 is equal to lambda 2 upon lambda 1. Lambda 2 is equal to 2000 and lambda 1 is 6000. So lambda 1 is equal to 3 into lambda 2, or lambda 1 upon lambda 2 is equal to 1 upon 3. Dear student, please write down this question and solution of this question also. Now I will give you one question which is based on hydrogen spectrum as a homework. Please write down. Calculate the shortest and longest wavelength. Calculate the shortest and longest wavelength. Calculate the shortest and longest wavelengths in hydrogen spectrum of Lyman series. Dear student, please write down this question as a homework. I will solve this question in next lecture.